Hey guys, and welcome to your next video. Let's go ahead and add files to our staging area. We can do this by the git add -a command, or we can add files individually by git add calc and then the name of the file. So let's do this. Git add and then the name of the file, which is calc.py. Then we can check by running a git status to see which files are tracked and which files are untracked. As you can see, we have the calc.py file, which is being tracked, and then .gitignore is our untracked files. We need to add .gitignore to our tracked files as well. So let's do this git add -a command, which will add all untracked files. Now if we run our git status one more time, we can see we don't have any files that are untracked, and they're all being tracked. In order to remove files from the staging area, we can do a git reset and then the name of the file. So let me remove .gitignore, and if we do a git status, we can see that gitignore is now untracked once again. Also, what we can do is git reset by itself without any files, which will reset all our code, or all the files. If we do a git status to check, we can see that all our files have been untracked. Let's go ahead and add these files back up. We can do a git status to double check everything is ready to go, and there you go. In order to commit these files, what we need to do is run our git commit, and then we have -m, which represents the message, and then we need to write a message for every commit we do. For our first commit, we're just going to give the message first commit. Right. So the message is important since you can go back and track these commits in the future. So it's important to be descriptive to remind yourself why you committed these files and what changes you made. Now let's go ahead and enter this. It will say that 2 files have been changed. So if we run a git status now, we can see that there's nothing to commit. Our working tree is clean because we have already committed these files. Another handy command is git log. Now git log will let you see a log of the commits that you have made. It will give you a hash number, which is unique to the commit, and all hash numbers will be unique to every commit you made. It just gives you a little bit more information about the commits. So yeah guys, to recap, what we did to add all files to our staging area is the git add -a command. We can also add files individually by writing the name of the files. And then obviously we did a git status to check to make sure that all files were added. Similarly, we can do a git reset command to remove all files, or to remove individual files, we can do a git reset and then the name of the file. To check, we can use git status once again. Now in order to commit files, we need to add all the files and then run a git status to make sure that all the files are added to the staging area. After that, we run the git commit -m and then write a detailed message to remember why we committed. After we hit this command, we can do a git status to check if the working directory is clean, and then that is how you commit messages. You can also run the git log command to learn a little bit more information about the commits that you have made. Alright guys, that is it for this video. Thank you for watching.